This is a cauliflower, then that is a white, and then this is broccoli, and that is a greenish. So to improve the color, I'm also going to add the carrots. So to start with, I'm going to remove these parts, and then I will, is it plucking, is it removing, is it wherever it is, yeah. Then I will blanch them, I will cook them. That is a pre-cooking them in already boiled water with a bit of salt, and then I remove them, I mix them, and then the procedure will continue. So you remove this, and then once you remove this, like this, I think this size it's okay. You're supposed to cut it here, and then you wash them in the salt water first, and so that in case maybe there's some insects in between the flowers, they can easily get out before cooking them. So you do the same as for the cauliflower. So I'm done. Now the water is boiling. Wash in a salt water before you blanch them. So now blanching them, remember we said we cook a minimum amount of liquid so that the nutrients are not left in the liquid, or they are not lost. So now the cauliflower, so the same thing we have done with the other one. So we are going to remove this, and then we unpluck them. Just see how small it is after you remove the leaves. Are they good? This is ready now. I want to remove it to fresh. Wash also in a salted water, but not for long. We said don't soak your vegetables in water, but with this you have to at least wash with a salt water, but you have to be very fast. Drain, and then you put them in. So now we are blanching the cauliflower also. In fact, they don't take the same time to be ready, so never cook them or boil or blanch them together, as this takes a bit longer time compared to a broccoli. So to improve the color of my broccoli and cauliflower, I've decided to add a bit of carrots, and I've sliced them or cut them like this, so that at least they can be almost the same size, though they are not of the same size, but at least like a shape. Yeah. So guys, there are different ways of making or preparing broccoli and cauliflower. Yeah, but I'm going to show you each and every recipe that I always prepare. So today I'm going to start with the recipe 1. Yeah. So recipe 1, and nataka kuonyesha how you can make your broccoli and cauliflower to be sweet. So you cut your onions like this. So we are sweating them, and then we add our vegetables. We toast, then you'll be done. So heat your oil first and your onions. cook without turning color. And a pinch of salt, because remember you blanched your vegetables into salted water. Now I'm going to add in my vegetables. Once you add, you toss. Don't use a wooden spoon. You see, when you toss, the bottom content comes on top. The top goes to the bottom, the side moves to the side, to the bottom, up, down, sides, and that's how you mix them. Tossing, unarusha rusha. I hope unaelewa. Yeah, you just put your saucepan, and then you lift whatever is in the saucepan. So at this point you can add in your parsley, your dania, just to garnish. So that's all about my recipe, my first recipe of broccoli and cauliflower. I'm going to do more of this recipe, so that if you find maybe there's someone who don't like this recipe, maybe you like to prepare it in a different way, I'll have given you the recipe. So this is recipe 1. And then guys, if you have butter, not margarine, butter gives vegetables a very nice taste. Yeah, I can recommend to use a butter. Very nice. So guys, bye bye, until next video.